Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar General haul to share food items and some home items. So the first item we got was the Clover Valley root beer, and this is a 12 pack. This is under $5, and I told Connor that we would get root beer for movie night, so that's what I did. This is the cheaper alternative to the actual name brand root beer. This is under $5 though for 12, so not bad, and we've had this in the past and it is just as good as the name brand root beer. So root beer, I got Connor 2 of these cheddar cheese flavored, and they're a Japanese home style noodle, but these are pretty good. I've tried them myself as well. They were $1.25 each. And then in the seasonal aisle, I picked up this you get 20 pieces in here, and it has regular Reese's Minis, the pieces, and pumpkins. And this was $5.50. And Connor loves Takis, so I picked them up, and this was $1 in the Blue Heat Takis. 2 packages of this Heartland Farms deli style cat food. These are $1 each. Got 2 of those, and they are 15 ounces. Also picked up 2 of the True Living Soft and Strong paper towels. These are 100 count 2-ply tissues, and these are not choose your size. They are one size. They are the large size paper towels. $1 each, and that is a better deal than the DollarTree right now. They're good paper towels as well. Needed some cotton balls, so from the Studio Selection, the jumbo cotton balls, and there is 100 in here for only $1. And a few items from the Dollar Deals aisle. This is a repurchase, but in a different scent. This is the extra in-wash scent boosters. These were $1, and it's in the fresh linen scent. You get 5 ounces. Look at that. They smell pretty good, and for only $1, you can't beat it. Still better pricing than the DollarTree. And then I wanted to try this extra Power Clean foaming spray. This is an antibacterial hand soap juicy orange spray. 13.5 fluid ounces for only $1. You got a couple settings on the nozzle there. And they had this in the juicy orange scent and an apple blossom scent. So I got the orange one to try out. I like the packaging. I like how much you get, and I hope that it is really good. I hope it performs really nicely. Side note, I did think this was a dish soap spray. Read it wrong. Clearly hand soap. I just used this. You spray this into your hand, and it is a foaming hand wash. It lathers really nicely, it has an amazing smell, and it's really soft on hands. And then this newer item too that I found, and it's a multi-purpose cleaner, and it's from LA's Totally Awesome, and it's in their Bode Scents, Lemongrass, and Sage multi-surface cleaner. This smells really good for only $1. I don't know the ounces on this, but either way, this reminded me of the packaging of the Myers cleaner. So I was really curious to try this. And that is all the items that I picked up at the Dollar General today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And stay tuned for more videos like this. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.